Step 1. Wash your hands. Step 2. Cut pickle and onion. Step 3. Lay out meat and season with salt and pepper.
BAM!
Step 4. Apply the mustard to your meat. Step 5. Lay pickles and onions on top of the meat. Step 6. Lay bacon on top of the meat. Step 7. Roll the meat and insert toothpicks to hold together. Step 8. Preheat pan and add olive oil. Step 9. Add meat into pot. Step 10. Flip meat until golden brown. Step 11. Lower temperature and add water and cover with lid so it boils. Step 12. Add gravy powder to water and mix thoroughly. Step 13. Slowly add gravy to pot. Step 14. Remove the meat from the pot and remove the toothpicks.